In this video, we'll identify the different buttons and settings on the TR600. Before we start, ensure you are familiar with the different buttons and functions of the TR600. To access the System Settings menu, push the button for Settings, push the down arrow so System is selected, and press OK. From this menu, you can configure all the settings for the TR600. The first setting we will set is time. To set the time, push the up and down arrows until you reach the desired hour and press Next. Use the up and down arrows to scroll to the correct minute and press Next. When you are finished, press the left select key to set the time. The next setting we will set is the date. As with before, use the up and down arrow keys to scroll through the years, months, and days, and press Next to go to the next value. When you are finished, press the left select key to set the date. Next, we'll ensure the time and date format are correct. Time format can be either 12 hours for AM and PM, or 24 hours, also called military time. Choose the option you prefer and press the left select key to set. Date format allows you to select how the date is shown on the recorded files. In some cases, your phone system will automatically sync the date and time through the internet. The setting Time Sync with CID will sync the date and time of the TR600 with your phone system, only if your phone system knows the date and time. The TR600 can display text in two languages, English and Chinese. Select your preferred language and press OK. The LCD contrast setting should only be changed if the text on the screen of the TR600 seems faded or too dark. The default setting is 4. The last two settings we'll go over are Format SD card and Default setting. If the TR600 is malfunctioning or not recording, you may want to format the SD card. Formatting will completely erase all your recorded files. It will not remove your settings, however. Default setting allows you to reset all settings on the TR600 to default. In addition to the computer and call assistant software, the TR600 can play back recordings on the device itself using the log feature. To access this menu, press the top left select key. Here we see all the different recorded phone calls. Use the up and down arrow keys to scroll through the different recordings and press the play button to select your desired recording. When in the playback menu, press the top left button to select Opt. The Opt menu displays options for your recorded files. This will allow you to interact with your recorded files. You can play, flag, remove flag, delete, search by time, and search by telephone number. When in the playback menu, press the top right select button to select Type. The Type menu allows you to select recordings that have been sorted by category. The categories are All, Incoming, Answered, Unanswered, Outgoing, Note, Flag, Trig, and Answering. This concludes the final setup video for the TR600. For any questions or to purchase a TR600, visit recordergear.com.